Good day everyone. I am one of the members of the Group 3 reporter, and our assigned topic in our group are Module 10, Aggression, Module 11, Helping Others, and Module 12, Attraction. On Module 10, we have aggression. Aggression can be defined as any behavior, whether physical or verbal, that is carried out with the intent to harm another person. Aggression is ito yung mga behavior na intended to hurt or harm another person or another individual, na kung saan pwede to siyang verbal or pwede naman siyang physical abuse. For example naman dito is yung mga pambubugbog, yung mga pambubuli sa iba, at mga iba pang mga bagay na nagagawa ng isang tao sa isa pang tao, which is naipapakita nito or yung ibang tao is nasasaktan sila by doing that. There are 3 types of aggression. The first one is instrumental aggression. Number 2 is hostile or physical aggression. And the last one is relational aggression. Number 1 is instrumental aggression. Occurs when a person attempts to obtain something but does not intend to harm others. The behavior serves as a mean to another end. The basic example would be if a toddler tries to take a toy from another toddler. Number 1 is instrumental aggression. Ito naman yung wala silang intensyon na manakit or mag-harm sa ibang tao, pero yung intention nila na may want silang makuha or makamit na isang bagay na nasa iyo. For example naman is, diba, madalas may mga magnanakaw or yung mga thieves na kung saan ang kinukuha lang nila is mga bagay-bagay na nasa iyo na want nila, or minsan naman yung mga pera lang. Pero may iba naman na gina-harm ka pa nila para lang makuha yung isang bagay na yun, which is hindi yun ang instrumental aggression. Ang instrumental aggression is yung bagay na yun lang yung kukunin nila sa'yo at hindi ka nila physical abuse or hindi ka nila sasaktan. Number 2 is physical aggression. Occurs when a person intends to harm another person by hitting, shooting, kicking, punching, or stabbing them, or by simply threatening such action. The behavior is an end in itself. The second one is physical aggression. So physical aggression is opposite niya yung first na types of aggression, which is yung instrumental aggression. Kasi sa physical aggression na wala siyang intention na makamit yung isang bagay na nasa iyo, pero ang intention lang nito na makapanakit or gumawa ng physical abuse sa isang tao or ibang tao, which is parang gusto lang talaga nila na makita yung ibang tao na nasasaktan dahil sa mga ginagawa nila. For example, dito is yung mga tao na non-treat lang, na hindi naman nila iniintindi yung mga bagay-bagay would na sa iba na sila ay nasasaktan na, pero sa gumagawa ng physical aggression is parang nagiging masaya sila habang ginagawa yung pag-aabuso na yun or pananakit na yun. Number 3 is relational aggression. It occurs when efforts are made to damage another person's relationship and could include spreading rumors, name-calling, ignoring a person, or social exclusion. The third one is relational aggression. Sa relational aggression, ito na yung may malapit sa'yo or may another person na close sila pero dahil sa relational aggression na yung relationship na nabuo sa kanila is nadadamage or nasisira. For example naman is yung mga magkakaibigan or yung mga close friends sa isa't isa kasi may minsan or may nangyayari na yung isang friend mo pag inggit sila sa'yo or pag ayaw nilang maging maganda yung tingin ng iba sa'yo na parang sinisiraan ka, iba na yung sinasabi sa iba na ganito, ganyan ka, na ganito yung ugali mo, na hindi ka mabait, hindi ka yung hindi good image ang ipapakita nila or sasabihin nila sa ibang tao nang dahil dun is parang sisirain ka nila ng patago or sisirain ka nila patalikod na hindi mo nalalaman na yung close mo na yon or yung friend mo na yon na yun na pala yung gagawa ng mga bagay na ayaw mo gawin sa iba. The last one we have cyberbullying. It involves the use of technology such as social media, email, chat rooms, texting, video games, YouTube, or photographs to humiliate, embarrass, intimidate, or even threaten someone to gain power and control over them. Cyberbullying, we have Republic Act number 10627 or the Cyberbullying Act. Ito yung Anti-Bullying Act of 2013 or the Republic Act number 10627 recognizes the importance of preventing and responding to bullying, including cyberbullying in educational institution.